In this clip, we'll look at the Run wizard for zoning under the Text Setup menu. The password to access this is 873873. Once you have entered the password, you will see the zoning wizard on the left of the screen. Moving into the zoning wizard, the first question is how many zones are being connected to the controller, where you simply choose from 1 to 10 for the total number of zones. I'll make that 9. The next question is how many constant zones are required. You can have 0, 1, 2, or 3 constant zones. This is the minimum number of zones which are required to be fully open when your unit is operating. I've chosen 3. Once you have selected how many constant zones, you will then move on to choose which zones are your constant zones. In this example, we will have the lounge room as constant zone 1, the rumpus as constant zone 2, and study as constant zone 3. The configuration is then saved. Let's exit the Text Setup menu now and go back to the zone screen. So now I have turned off all the zones and left only a single zone running. The system waits to confirm if you are making any more changes. Then you will see that the constant zones open to achieve that minimum of 3 zones fully open. This is the logic of the constant zones. Constant zones may be opened automatically if you're running less zones than you've set as the constant zones. Zones which have been turned on automatically may turn off automatically as well once you start turning on other zones manually. So constant zones are a great way to achieve the right amount of airflow across the home, however not having too much pumping through a small outlet in a limited space.